Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into n8n, one of the most powerful no-code automation tools available right now. If you want to automate your daily tasks, connect your apps, or build a complete automation system, this tutorial is perfect for you. So let's get started. What is n8n? n8n is a workflow automation platform. In simple words, you can connect different apps like Gmail, Google Sheets, WhatsApp, Notion, Slack, Instagram, and make them work together automatically. For example, when a new email arrives, save it inside a Google Sheet. When a form is submitted, send an automatic notification. New WhatsApp message, auto-reply goes out. New customer, add them to your CRM instantly. And the best part? n8n is totally free and open source. There are two easy ways to start using n8n. Cloud version, just sign up and start creating workflows. Local version, install n8n on your computer or server. For beginners, the cloud version is super easy. That's what I'll be using in this tutorial. Once you're signed in, you'll see a simple and clean dashboard. On the left side, you'll find options like workflows, executions, and credentials. But the three most important things are triggers, what starts your automation nodes, each step of your workflow connections, how data flows between nodes. Let's build a simple workflow. When someone submits a Google form, the data automatically gets added to Google Sheets. Step 1. Click New Workflow. Step 2. Add a webhook trigger. This will receive the form data. Step 3. Copy the webhook URL and connect it to your Google form using an add-on. Step 4. Add a Google Sheets node. Step 5. Choose the action Create Row. Step 6. Map the form fields to your sheet columns. Step 7. Test the form. Data instantly appears in your Google Sheet. This is just one example, but the logic stays the same for almost everything. With n8n, you can automate almost anything. Auto-post on Instagram, schedule content, send WhatsApp, auto-replies, sync, YouTube analytics to Google Sheets, cryptocurrency, price alerts, Shopify order alerts, customer onboarding flows, AI-powered automation using OpenAI nodes. All of this without writing a single line of code. Here are some quick tips. Always test your workflow with sample data. Give your nodes clear names. Check error logs inside executions. Use retry and fallback nodes for stability. Keep your API credentials secure. And that's it for this beginner-friendly n8n tutorial. If you want me to create advanced automations like WhatsApp bots, social media scheduling, or AI-powered workflows, drop a comment below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next automation video.